Looking for a reliable, high-performance magnetic stirrer for your lab? Meet the refurbished VWR VS-C4-2 AGM2211, brought back to peak condition by the experts at Galileo Scientific. This compact yet powerful stirrer is built for continuous use in demanding environments. With adjustable stirring speeds, you get precise control for perfect sample mixing every time. Its chemically resistant surface ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the digital display makes speed adjustments simple and accurate. Plus, with quiet operation and low power consumption, your lab stays efficient without extra noise or energy waste. Safety is a priority. This unit includes built-in overload protection for worry-free use. And thanks to its robust construction, it's made to last. Every refurbished unit has been reviewed, reconditioned, and tested by Galileo Scientific specialists to guarantee top performance. Get quality, reliability, and great value because your lab deserves the best. Order now and keep your research running smoothly with the VWR VS-C4-2 AGM2211 magnetic stirrer.